The world holds its breath as it witnesses the rise of yet another Hitler. CJ Post analyzes how Indian Prime Minister Modi is dragging South Asia towards extermination, much like Hitler did to Europe in the 1940s. The RSS is a group of Hindu religious fanatics devoted to the cause of Hindutva since 1925 to rejuvenate Golwalker's dream of a Hindu majoritist state in India. Just like Heinrich Himmler's Aryan dream, Hindutva's overt cultural and covert political aims are served by its political facet, the ruling BJP, a party modeled after Hitler's National Socialist German Workers' Party. In retrospect, RSS militants committed heinous communal riots, depicting similar ethnic cleansing tendencies to the Nazis in Europe. The American historian Stanley Payne and author of World Fascism, Cyprian Blamires, concluded that the racially motivated ideology of the RSS is the Indian variant of fascism with no space for minorities. The RSS, through its quasi-military training, use of salutations, commands, and their uniform, shows its affinity to the Nazi ideology. The genocide of millions whom Hitler and his followers deemed as subhumans or undesirable resulted in the Holocaust. Modi's ideological mentor Golwalker writes that the Nazi Germans gave a good lesson for us in India to learn and profit by. Inspired by the ideals of Nazism, Modi implemented them in all parts of India, particularly in Gujarat and Kashmir, killing thousands of Muslims and Christians along the way. Modi's recent supremacist belligerence in Kashmir might lead to another nuclear holocaust, which might engulf the entire world. The global community must stop acting as a mere spectator to the rapidly deteriorating situation in Kashmir. The world's leaders must stop Modi's fanaticism before it's too late.